How to use Xeno Executor Client on Roblox. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Xeno Executor Client in Roblox. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over and download xenoexecutor.com. So you gotta simply head over to the search engine and search for xenoexecutor.com, and you gotta download the Xeno Executor. So simply click on download for Windows, or you can also join Discord and simply download it. Next, you gotta head over and search for Fish Strap. And here you gotta click on download latest version. So simply click on it and you'll be redirected to another interface. So here you gotta scroll down in order to download the latest version. Right now the latest version is 2.9.1.2. So simply click on download and you'll be able to download Fish Strap. Next, you need to download some dependencies. So you gotta head over and download .NET SDK, and after that you gotta install Visual C++ redistributable. So once you have done that, you gotta head over and you gotta run Fish Strap. So here you can see Fish Strap has been downloaded. So I'm gonna click on it. So you gotta head over, install Fish Strap, and then you gotta launch Roblox using Fish Strap. So once you launch Roblox using Fish Strap, it will look same such as Roblox original looks, and all you need to do is simply open Executor. So you gotta simply open the Xeno Executor over here when you open Roblox, and then you gotta unfold, unzip the zip folder, and then you gotta run the Xeno Executor, and then you gotta run the script, and once you do so, that will be up for you. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.